Saniflo is the world leader in the design and manufacture of macerating and grinding toilet systems. We also offer the best drain water pumping systems in the market. Since its founding in France in 1958, Saniflo has grown into a global company and has sold over 7 million units to date. We pride ourselves on the quality of our products. They have proven to be highly reliable across multiple applications, from being installed in some of the world's most recognized buildings to home and personal use. Saniflo offers a complete line of innovative plumbing solutions and, thanks to its above-floor plumbing technology, eliminates the need to break the concrete or the floor. Keep Saniflo's 10 golden rules in mind during installation. Rule number 1. All discharge pipework should either be copper, PVC, or CPVC capable of handling the pressure exiting the pump. A ball valve should be installed for easy removal and service of the system, and pipes must be supported across the length of the discharge run. Rule number 2. The first horizontal run cannot exceed more than 24 inches prior to the vertical run. At the end of the vertical lift and after turning horizontally, the discharge pipe should be sloped 1/4 inch per foot until drained into the main sewer line. It's important to make sure the discharge goes into the septic tank or main sewer, not into an open drain. Rule number 3. Bends should be smooth with a long radius and not tight elbows. Use long sweeping 90-degree elbows or 2 45-degree elbows back to back. Rule number 4. When having multiple systems, each discharge pipe should run separately into the main sewer or connection through the top using a Y fitting to prevent backflow. Rule number 5. A shower and/or bathtub should be raised off the floor by a minimum of 6 inches for macerating systems and drain pumps, and 8 inches for grinder systems. The pipe draining into the pump should have a minimum of 1/4 inch per foot gravity fall. Rule number 6. When pumping directly downwards more than 9 feet, an anti-siphon valve must be installed at the highest point of the discharge line to eliminate siphonage in the pipe. Otherwise, the diameter of the downward pipe must be increased. Rule number 7. If the unit is positioned behind a wall, install an access point as close as possible to ensure easy maintenance and servicing of pipes, water valve, GFCI plug, and pump. Rule number 8. Ensure that air flows freely in both directions for proper venting. Do not use one-way, mechanical, or Studer vents, as these restrict airflow. Neither the Sani Compact nor the Sani Star need external vents, as both have internal ones. Check with your local plumbing official for more information. Rule number 9. Insulate the pipes if exposed to freezing conditions and empty the units to avoid damage due to extreme cold or frost, particularly during the winter. Plumber's antifreeze can also be used to help insulate during the colder months. Rule number 10. The unit comes with a 3-prong plug, which should be connected to a 110-volt electrical outlet. For safety reasons, we recommend using a GFCI plug. Note that our SaniCubic 2 is the only system that requires a 220 to 240-volt power supply. Install a bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room wherever you need it with these simple tips. Look out for our other how-to videos to find out more. All Saniflo products comply with North American standards. Our toilet systems meet EPA criteria for WaterSense high performance and water-efficient toilets. Contact Saniflo toll-free at 1-800-363-5874 or visit us online at saniflo.ca.